But thanks for the offer, Teeks. I could really use the help. Thankfully, it hasn't been too bad just yet. We had a few dummies in the chat yesterday, but nothing transphobic, thankfully. That was probably like the first case I've had, and I'm glad they didn't have anything to say. And like, as far as troll attempts go, that one was really, really weak. I've seen much worse ones on Reddit. I mean, everything's worse on Reddit, but... Oh, actually, how do I... Is that showing up on my overlay? Is that person's name showing up on my overlay? So I'm not sure how to get rid of that, if it is. It is showing up. Okay, let's jump into Stream Elements and see if I can fix that quickly. Yes, I do use Stream Elements. Okay, that's a solution, I guess. Thanks, Troy. Oh, I don't think that works. I'm pretty sure it only just shows like the first time someone's followed. Although I do appreciate the attempt. But yeah, I'll look into that. I'll look into that after stream. How to get rid of dummies in Stream Elements. Oops. Let's not bump the mic too much. Wait. Yeah, on my end, it's saying that Troy beat you. Yeah, Troy followed first. I don't know, Twitch is weird. The internet is weird. Technology is weird. I'm surprised any of it works at all, to be honest. Okay. Second wing. I gotta have the instructions focused. There we go. Yeah, sometimes I'm just amazed that Twitch is even a thing, that live streaming is even a thing. Because, you know, I grew up with dial-up internet. Imagine trying to live stream on dial-up. Like, just how far technology has come, even in that time frame, is insane. I remember the days when it would take like half a day or even longer to download one music video. Oh man, the sounds were the best part, definitely. That dial-up dialing sound is such a bop. Although it was always funny how you couldn't make a phone call and be connected to the internet at the same time. The amount of times that I accidentally disconnected when my mum was in a phone call because I wanted to hop on the internet and I didn't realize she was in a phone call. Happened way too often as a kid. Actually miss the dial-up sounds, which is weird to say. Nah, they're a bop. Totally legit to miss them. Although what does surprise me is just how well multiplayer games worked over dial-up. Like, I was able to play the original Halo multiplayer on PC over dial-up. I'm surprised that worked. need to find a dial-up remix. See if I can find like a dial-up trap remix or something. Make a new genre of music, call it drum and dial-up. Dial-up step. D&D drum and dial-up. Drum and dial-up. Drum and dial-up. Man, I just love finding like remixes of like iconic Australian themes, such as the what is it? Land Down Under drum and bass remix. I think that was in like the top one, Triple J top 100, hottest 100 this year. Then there's also like, there was a drum and bass remix of the ABC News theme a few years ago. What else was there? I remember there was a rave remix of the Totally Wild theme. That one was sick. Remember playing RuneScape over dial-up? Oh yes. Actually, I never really got too much into RuneScape. I played it a little bit, but not all that much really.